Question 9. Relative to the origin O, position vectors of point A, B, and C are given by OA is equal to 5I minus 2J plus K, OB is equal to 8I plus 2J minus 6K, and OC is equal to 3I plus 4J minus 7K. These are the position vectors of A, B, and C respectively. Show that OABC is a rectangle. OABC is a rectangle. We know that all the four angles in the rectangle are right and opposite sides are equal. So first we will find the sides AB and any other side, uh, smaller side OC. सॉरी ए बी फाइंड करेंगे और ओ सी फाइंड करेंगे, ये दोनों इक्वल होने चाहिए, ओ ए और बी सी इक्वल होने चाहिए. तो ऑल दीज एंगल्स मस्ट बी राइट. So first of all we will find AB. AB vector will be OB minus OA. OB is given position vector of B 8I plus 2J minus 6K. So we can write in column 8 2 minus 6 minus OA is 5 minus 2 1, 5 minus 2 1. Subtracting we get 3 4 minus 7. This is vector AB 3 4 minus 7. Magnitude in length of AB, we will find the magnitude. Magnitude of vector AB is equal to 3 square plus 4 square plus minus 7 whole square whole under root. After calculating we will get 74 square root. In the same way we will find OC. OC vector is given. We will find its magnitude. OC magnitude will be 3 square plus 4 square plus minus 7 square whole under root. Again we get 74 under root. Clearly OAB, length of AB and OC are equal. AB is equal to OC. Now we find BC. BC will be BC vector will be OC minus OB. OC minus OB. 3 4 minus 7. This is OC minus OB. OB is 8 2 minus 6. Subtracting we get minus 5 minus 2 2 minus 5 2 1. Now magnitude of BC is minus 5 square plus 2 square plus 1 square whole under root, or we get 30 under root. Now we find OA. OA magnitude, OA vector is 5 minus 2, 1. OA magnitude will be OA magnitude will be 5 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square whole under root. We get 30 under root. This shows that BC equal to OA. Length of BC is equal to OA. AB is equal to OC and OA is equal to BC. Now we have to show the angles. Angle must be right. We get dot product. If dot product of AB and BC is equal to 0, then this shows that angle is right. So AB dot, we find AB vector dot BC vector. AB is 3, 4, minus 7. BC is minus 5, 2, minus 1. Dot product is minus 15 plus 8. Minus 15 plus 8 plus 7. We get 0. This shows that AB is AB dot, since AB dot BC is equal to 0. This shows that AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC. This shows that this angle is right. Similarly, we find dot product of OA and OC. Dot product of OA and OC. OA is 5 minus 2, 1. OC is 3, 4, minus 7. Dot product is 15 minus 8 minus 7, that is equal to 0. This shows that AB is perpendicular to BC, and since the dot product of OA and OC is equal to 0, this shows that OA and OC are also perpendicular. OA is perpendicular to OC. This sign is used for perpendicular. This shows that, hence we can say that the OABC is a rectangle, because we have shown the angles are right and opposite sides are equal. So this shows that OABC is a rectangle. We move to the next part of this question. B part, use a scalar product to find the acute angle. Acute angle between the diagonals of OABC. OABC और इनके डायगोनल्स के दरमियान एंगल जो है वो हमने एक्यूट एंगल फाइंड करना है. These are the diagonals. The line that joins the opposite vertices. This is also a diagonal. Now this is the acute angle between the diagonals. ये obtuse है और ये acute है. We have to find the acute angle. This means that we have to find these vectors. This angle is between OB and AC. We need this vector OB and AC. Then we will apply the formula to find this acute angle. OB, that is equal to, OB vector is given, that is equal to 8 to minus 6, and AC vector, that is OC minus OA. OC is 3, 4 minus 7. OA is 5 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 6 minus 8. Or this is vector AC and this is vector OB. Let we represent OB vector by A, small a, and AC को हम represent कर लेते हैं vector small letter B से. So now we have to find this angle. The angle between the two vectors, this is the formula, cos theta is equal to A dot B over magnitude of A into magnitude of B. We will find the angle cos theta is equal to A dot B. A vector is 8 to minus 6 dot minus 2, 6 minus 8 over magnitude of A, that is इस वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड होगा 8 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस minus 6 square whole under root into the magnitude of this vector is minus 2 square plus 6 square plus minus 8 square. After calculating we get डॉट प्रोडक्ट इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे और ऐड कर देंगे. So cos theta is equal to minus 16 plus 12 plus 48 over 104. After calculating we get this 104 under root and 104. Further simplify, cos theta is equal to 44 over 104. Theta is equal to cos inverse 44 over 104. Finally we get theta is equal to 65.0 degree, correct to one decimal place. This is the final answer.